If you've recently purchased the DJI Mic Mini kit and your audio sounds like this, mic test 1 2 1 2, this is audio test. Well, that sounds bad. Well then, here's a few ways you can fix that. Alright, the first way you can fix that audio issue is by replacing the original aux cable that comes with the kit. Yeah, get rid of this. And what I've done is I've replaced it with the Rode aux cable. It looks like this. I like the red accent. It goes with my red theme that I have going on with all my gear. And it also helps with the audio. So this is what it sounds like before with this cable. All right, so this is what I sound like using the original aux cable with the DJI Mic Mini set. And this is what it sounds like after with this cable. All right, and this is what I sound like using the Rode aux cable. You also need to make sure the microphone is in a good placement. I usually have my necklace on, and anytime I have it placed here, my necklace kind of scrapes up against the microphone and it'll make a weird noise. So you want to be cautious of things like that. So take off necklaces, make sure it's not rubbing on your clothes or anything like that. Just make sure it's free of any kind of obstructions. Okay, so the next way to significantly fix that audio issue is by actually going into your camera settings and reducing that internal audio level. So on the Sony a7S, what you need to do is go into menu, go down to shooting, then to audio recording, and then on the audio recording level, turn that down all the way to either 1 or 2. And then on the actual DJI receiver, you'll go ahead and turn this up to 12. All right, the next thing you want to do is update the firmware on both the receiver and the transmitter. Before you turn on the receiver, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and go ahead and go into the DJI Mimo app. Once you've done that, go ahead and hold the power button on the receiver until the light turns blue. And then on the DJI Mimo app, you should see it pop up. Go ahead and click connect. And then from here, you can see all the different settings that you can change. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll click about devices, and then you'll see the firmware version right here. Mine's already updated, but if yours isn't, go ahead and update it. And then here on the transmitter, go ahead and hold the power button down until it turns green, let go. And then you'll see the linking button. Go ahead and hold that down until it turns blue. Once it turns blue, go ahead and let go. So if the transmitter doesn't pop up automatically on the app, go ahead and go into your Bluetooth settings. And then if you scroll down to other devices, you should see it pop up right there. Go ahead and click that. And now it's connected. Go back into the app. And there you are. Go ahead and click connect. And same thing as the receiver. Go ahead and click about devices. And then you'll see firmware version. Mine's already updated. Also, what you can do here on the transmitter is click the power button once. That will turn this yellow light on, which turns on the noise cancellation feature. Now, if you've done all those steps and you're still having a little bit of hiss or background noise in your audio, you can do a little bit of post-processing in DaVinci. So let's hop in right now and let me show you what to do. So from here, you want to go to the Fairlight tab. Then you want to click the audio file on the timeline, then click this plus symbol next to effects, then click restoration, then noise reduction, then click the radio button for auto speech mode. All right, so there you have it. That's how I fixed some of the audio issues with the DJI Mic Mini. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. But that's gonna be it. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, this is an audio test using the Rode aux cable with the internal recording audio down to 1 and the decibel turned up to plus 12 on the receiver. Sounds pretty good to me.